Living in the city was unusual for me. No matter where I went, I always heard people and traffic. I was used to everything being quiet and peaceful when I left the house. I first had to come to terms with these new things and get used to them. When I went into the forest or to the river for a walk, I always heard cars driving by. But it also had its advantages. For example, I could go grocery shopping on foot and no longer had to drive to the next village. I learned many new things, but after 3 years I realized that I couldn't live like this forever. I spent a lot of my free time going out of the city, into nature, mountains and forests. I missed the countryside, the peace, the animals and the nature. I needed a change again. I tell you the story that has happened in the last few months. It is about my parents. I've already told you that I grew up in a house in the country with lots of animals. Like me, of course, my parents have also grown older. My parents have decided to give up the house and the stable, to sell and to move away. They are no longer so fit to do all the work on the land, and they want to live more centrally again. It was always clear to me that this time would come one day. However, I was not prepared when it came.